So today we are going to make the guy. Let me show you this person, this guy, this musician. So it's too hard to cover total character in one video. Let's break it down in parts. Like someday we are going to make the silhouettes, the secondary forms, and next day the cloth, the accessories, the shoes, etc. Then detailing another day, then separate day for the instrument itself. So it will be detailed and break into parts so it's better understandable and easy to follow. So let's get started. I have done till now that I have took a ZBrush base mesh that I'm showing you that I took this Nick human male and I have just roughly made the silhouette, the pose itself, not silhouette. So let's go through it and make the rest of the form correct. And let's do it. As I can see that it's arch right there. Like this is a arch and this leg is straight, but it's a bit behind backside. So I'm going to put this leg a bit backward, then this leg, the right leg will stay the same place, just it will raise a bit, like heel going to be this, then knee will bend like this. Anyways, let's do this shit. First, I'm going to select this thing. I have already marked the polygroup as you can see in the face, the arm and the legs, so it will be easy to select and mask each part of the body. So let's first mask this and turn off the symmetry. So I'm going to take the lasso tool because it will be easy to do with it and invert the mask. Okay, I'm going to increase length a bit and I'm going to make the ankle straight. So let's mask it and soften the mask, and here it is. It's now believable. Let's bring the full body. Yes, it's looking good, but it's too harsh. Let's bring this area a little bit behind. And yes, it needs to be a little turned, like that is parallel and that is the angle. So I'm going to make this a little bit side, yes, and I guess the chest will go down a bit and the shoulder will come forward, or no, the hands going to be a bit in front. So let's mask this and invert. Then I'm going to use gizmo to rotate the full hands, yes, and yeah, it's better, but I guess it still need to be go a bit forward. Now it's better, and when we will make the coat, then it will be covered this area, so it will look more accurate. And this arm, I think this arm needs to be a little raised and this one a bit down. Let's do it. Same technique. I'm going to mask the area and mask the other hand, place the gizmo, then bit rotation. Yeah, it's good. And same, I'm going to mask this area and unmask this. Again, I'm going to put the gizmo and rotation. Yes. So let's check from the other side. Like there are in reference, there are two views. Like I got from this side and from the back side. So let's check the back side also to get more accuracy. So let's rotate the shape and it's looking almost similar, but we have missed one thing, that is knee fold. So let's make it. First, I'm going to mask it and invert the mask. Then I'm going to mask the other leg, harden the mask. Okay, so same with Gizmo, I'm going to put it a bit forward and then mask it again to the knees level, and I'm going to rotate this thing. So that's it. And yes, we have to rotate the ankle, obviously. I guess it's not total straight. Let's make it partially straight. So it will going to be more like this. Yes, and it's still not that popping. So I'm going to use the grab brush and make it a bit sharp. So let's do it. Yes, and I can see the muscle vastus lateralis, which located in lateral side of the thighs, are popping too much. So I'm going to bring it down a bit. It's looking believable now. Before it was popping too much. Anyways, let's make the knees a bit shorter because knees are not that wide. Usually, knees are smaller than that. So yeah, it's kind of looking good. But I guess I have to rotate the shin bone a bit because I can see in the reference. So let's do it. Move cursor and I'm going to align the gizmo. Then rotate from the top. Yeah, let's check bit adjustment. And I also have to rotate the ankle. Yeah, that's good. But something to give attention that the shin was a bit shorter than the femur. So let's make it equal. I'm not sure about that. Those needs to be similar in height or some is going to be long and some is shorter. So let's just make it equal. Yeah, it's currently looking good and I have to decrease the calf muscles. So I'm just going to smooth it with smooth brush. Just gradual. I mean, not drastic. Let's make the joints a bit smoother. Still, I'm feeling that I have to push the left side of the body a bit behind like this. So at least some part of the right side are visible. And I'm going to pull these arms a bit high and I have to make the elbow part a bit sharp, but there are not much resolution to work with. So I'm just letting it there and I will fix it in refinement like secondary forms. Let's smooth it out. I guess using base mesh is good because you don't have to make the anatomy repeatedly. You can just change it as you like and you get a base to work with and also it will improve and speed up your workflow. Improve in the sense you can get a cleaner edge flows and it was pre-made so you saved some time there and you should use it and if your software has not any base meshes then you should make some base meshes and use those repeatedly. Like once you made and skip it, then use in every other sculpt to avoid the repeated work. Anyways, I can see that the tricep is rotated inward. Let's rotate the shoulder a bit outward. So let's mask it. Yes. Then I'm going to invert the mask. Okay. I think I need to make okay. Okay. Now I'm going to make the mask a bit soft. Then I'm going to invert the mask. Same, I will put the gizmo at top and rotate it like this. And don't worry about the deformation. I will fix it anytime. I can fix it anytime. And yeah, this is looking accurate. Like the tricep is popping a bit and the biceps are a bit inward and the brachial is going up. I guess I have to put this hand a bit behind. So let's mask it, unmask, mask it, soften the mask, gizmo, and that's it. And I will going to adjust the hands. Okay, I'm not going to adjust the hands now. I will do it later when I have done the instrument. Then I will adjust the hand according to the instrument so it will grip more. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing with other hand. Okay, let's do it with full hand, not just the upper arm. Let's see what's going to happen. Yes, it's looking better, and I guess it was the efficient way than the previous one. Previous one, I did something more complex, but it was easier, simpler, and cleaner. So next time I will do the thing same. Okay, so I just so we have made the basic silhouette, and I guess let me check a bit. Okay. I just find out something that lastly we have to make something like this. There are a curve also, like they're leaning backward but not straight. They are leaning like this. So let's twist this thing a bit and see if it works. So I'm going to use arch classic and gradually pulling it back. And I think I'm going to use the move brush or move elastic. Move brush are going to be enough, I guess. It's also from different angle, not fully from side. So let's make it like this, and just not from that angle. We will make the thing accurate from each and every angle. That the work for the 3D, because we have to make this thing accurate and looking believable. Okay, basically that's it for now, and things are messy, I know, but we will work those out in next steps and make the thing as accurate as we can. So stay tuned and bye. Let's see you in the next video.